I'm so excited to be here at AWS reInvent with Trend Micro. I'm Joe Peterson. I'm the Vice President of Cloud and Security for Clarify 360, and I'm here with Erin of Trend Micro. Erin, how's your day going?
It is a great day. How was yours?
Lovely. I love the energy. It feels so good.
It feels so good. Yesterday, when they lifted the curtain to open the booth floor, it was amazing how many people were standing there waiting to get their hands on technology on this expo floor.
Right, and we're not going to know probably until after reInvent closes, but I'm hearing tell there are 50,000 to 70,000 folks here.
It's so many people. I haven't been with this many people in the same place in a long time, but it is really, it's exciting. There's so much energy.
Yeah, it's great. And speaking of exciting, you guys had a little bit of exciting news drop last night. AWS Global Partner of the Year. Woo, woo.
Yeah, it was really it's such an honor. We do a lot of work with AWS as an integration partner and an APN over a lot of time. So having that honor and recognition of all of the work that we do with Marketplace was really, really exciting.
Well, we're sitting here in the security neighborhood at AWS, and you guys were one of the first in the neighborhood when they were building the neighborhood.
Yes,
right?
Yes. Before there was a neighborhood, when it was just
neighborhood,
one.
And now you have neighbors.
We have so many.
So, you know, and that's great. But as folks come into, I think there's over 300 booths here, right? Overall, as folks are looking to procure new products and services, there's demos galore going on. And it can feel a little overwhelming. If you're creating a cloud strategy and you're an end user, what should you be thinking about as you approach that journey?
It absolutely would be overwhelming. I feel for all of the people walking around here. I can't imagine trying to make a buying decision based on all the noise. I would recommend people focus on finding a partner. Technology in the cloud changes so fast. We just talked about how much security has changed and come along the journey of cloud. Having a partner that will enable your transformation and really be with you through it to help you figure it out and realize the full value of the cloud is the best part, the best thing you can get from working with any type of technology.
Yeah, that's great advice. As teams are coming together and working together more closely, how are they going to recognize the full potential of the cloud?
I think it's really important when we think about security in particular as part of that cloud transformation to accept that teams aren't necessarily going to work in the same ways. Developers really care about security. Security teams obviously do too, but they don't always work in the same places. They don't necessarily want to talk to each other that much, depending on the company. So having technology that works where the cloud builders are working and where the security teams are working and providing relevant information to both sides helps everyone improve and realize their potential.
Well, now you're talking about a platform, aren't you?
That does sound like a platform, doesn't it? We have one of those. It's amazing.
All right. How did that work out? So what role, we were talking about it earlier, and you said something super smart, which was start your security journey at the beginning of the process, right? Don't just try to bolt it on afterwards or figure it out after the fact.
Yeah.
Why is that so important?
It's really hard that and a lot of people realize it too late.
Yeah.
You've already gone far in from migrating to truly transforming your business and then realize, oh no, there are all of these gaps that have a lot of risk. So it's important because security protects so much more than just data. Yes, that's what security does, but you're protecting your reputation, you're protecting a lot of finances, your customer base, all the people who rely on your business also rely and assume and have to trust that you have the right security in place. So covering those gaps and protecting multi-cloud and hybrid environments, no matter where you are in your transformation, it really is safest, obviously, most secure to start from the beginning and build it in so that it's part of the foundation.
You bring up such a really good point. It's not just about the tech, it's about the business reputation, and it's about the revenue.
Yes.
What happens if you have a website that's generating loss of revenue and you don't have any security for it. That's a problem.
It really is, and we see the aftermath of that with breaches that happen all the time, unfortunately. Like thinking all the way back to the earlier days of when breaches really made a lot of headlines, some of those companies are still taking financial hits even from like 2015, and it can really leave a lasting negative impression of your business that could have been resolved or prevented with proper security controls and technology in place and enabling your people to operate in a secure fashion.
Yeah, those are really great points. How does Trend Micro add business value for a client that is transforming?
We really are a partner. Like we started our conversation, we care deeply about our customers and enabling their business success. Their success is our success. So we work with them to use our platform and the services that they need, however they need it, providing the right information in the right place at the right time to the right people so that they can do their jobs best, whether they're building or securing or the application owner responsible for all of it. We can meet them where they are to help them get the most out of their cloud.
So great having a chat with you today. Thanks for taking the time.
It's been wonderful. Thank you.